Here, I'd like to give my clarification regarding allegation made in the social media or in Pasigat news that I have written some staff and DFO during wildlife sanctuary. Here, by hearing this, I am very much shocked, and such type of allegation is highly baseless, without iota or without any ground. And again, this same person that the said issued from the DFO Pasigat handed over Torodi Adi Vanekavan to villagers of Namsing place at the time of flood. It is also stated by some social media that the said issue is bounced, whereas such type of cases has not been risen, and it is completely a baseless as the villagers, after receiving the sale, they have encased the money and utilized the money for construction of porcupine in soil eroded area. Thirdly, alleging that hijacking of wildlife schemes by DFO territory. This type of allegation without the knowledge of the scheme, without any basic reason, is completely wrong, and it has been observed that it is without knowing the knowledge of the project. This project is mainly community-based project, which is sponsored by Wildlife Trust of India. This will be done by the community, and it is outside the protected areas. It is a completely community land. So such type of allegation cannot be tolerated, and we must go through the factual. Again, same person again highlighting that the staff of Deering Wildlife Sanctuary have seen 200 illegal logs inside the wildlife sanctuary, which he claimed the origin of the illegal is from upstream of Maborens. After ascertaining by my staff, that is frontline staff, there is no such illegal activities either in Mebo or any other upper stream or upper east of the Maborens, or in any else even Pasigat, which is completely doubtful and without the truth. And in this case, as he has alleged earlier, that I have threatened the staff, contingency staff of Daingiri Wildlife Sanctuary, which is baseless. It has been given in the court for my justice and for defending my hard-earned reputations, and that will be certainly justification will be done by the court of law, as I confidence on judiciary. And recently some section of student activities of Pasigat alleging that there are lot of illegalities of timber in Istian district, which I appeal to student community to cooperate with forest department so that we can locate the illegal activities area so that we can brought the offender in the court of law. I really appreciate the student community for right thinking of such type of conservations. And also, every community should come forward for protection and preservation of flora and fauna. However, I have strictly instructed to all the range officer that combing operation will be conducted day and night continuously, and also instructed to brought the justice against the offenders. इसने हमको एलिगेशन लगाया है कि हमने इनका स्टाफ को या डीएफओ को ट्रेनिंग दिया है। तो हमारा कहने का मतलब है हम तो किस लिए ट्रेनिंग देगा, क्या रीजन से ट्रेनिंग देगा, ये सब बेसलेस एलिगेशन है। ये आदमी ये 420 का रूल प्ले करता है।
और सर ये जो चेक बाउंसिंग का उसके ऊपर में क्या बोलेगा?
चेक बाउंसिंग में यही है, गाँव वाला को हम लोग तो दे दिया, गाँव वाला साइड बाई साइड ट्रांजेक्शन करके इसको इनकेस करके गाँव वाला प्रॉपरली इस मनी को पोर्कुपाइन जो सॉइल इरेशन एंटी सॉइल इरेशन में इसको यूज़ किया गया है। एंड इससे बहुत काफ़ी मदद मिला है। नहीं, ये दिया था वाइल्ड लाइफ ट्रस्ट ऑफ इंडिया से, जो एनजीओ है जो लोकल कम्युनिटी को सपोर्ट करने के लिए और कंजर्वेशन और वाइल्ड लाइफ कॉरिडोर को बचाने के लिए। तो वो एज ए रैपिड एक्शन प्रोग्राम के तहत स्कीम में इसको मदद किया गया है एज ए फ्लड रिलीफ।